Good morning. My name is Akshay, and today I'm going to take you through the chapter Noun, second chapter of your English grammar. Now, we all know that noun is the name of person, place, or thing, and noun there are five categories of noun. As you can see in the book itself, there are common noun, proper noun, collective noun, possessive noun, material, and abstract noun. So these are some sorts of noun that you all have to keep in mind. Then noun is further divided into countable and uncountable noun. Now what is a countable noun? Countable noun are those nouns which can be counted, which you can count. So in this category we have three types of noun: proper noun, common noun, and collective noun. They are countable nouns. Uncountable noun are material noun and abstract noun. So this is how you have to understand this chapter. Now let's move on to kind of noun. We all have been studying it from very early stage that common noun we are just talking about 2 points of noun. This is written in your second paragraph in your book: common noun and proper noun. So common noun is the one which is normally the name of common things, common given things. So common noun is example. The common noun is the name given to the class of things or people or things that belong to same category. They are called common noun. And whenever we write common noun, we start with a small letter. On the other hand, proper noun is the name given to a person, a particular person, thing, or person, place, or animal or thing, and this is always written with a capital letter. Now circle the word that does not belong to the group. Let's see here. The example is lamb, fawn, cygnet, eagle. So we know that lamb is uh, is the actual baby of sheep, is called lamb, and fawn is actually the deer's baby is called fawn. So if you see this, so it's all the actually the name of cubs of different animal. However, the eagle is a bird. These are actually the name of three animals with the babies. Now let's see. Circle the word that does not belong to the group. We are attempting the first exercise: mouse, disk jockey, monitor, hard disk. So if you look at the terms here, it is written. I'm doing the first question of exercise A, and if you look here, it's the disc jockey is not, it does not belongs to the group. The disc jockey does not belongs to the group. This you have to keep in mind. Now the second question is colonel, lieutenant, UK, and prof. Okay, so here if you look at this question number 2, colonel, lieutenant, professor, these are all rank. Colonel is a rank in army, lieutenant is also rank in army, but UK is the name of uh, United Kingdom. Professor is short form of professor, prof. So UK would be out of the box. So this does not belongs to the group. So this is exercise A. Students, you also have to remember, you don't have to worry about this. I'll be answering at least two exercises, two questions each. I'll be doing it in your in a copy, and I'll be providing it to you. So here we are going to do exercise A, B, C, D, and E. Now here look at the second one, exercise B. If you look at the exercise B, it says name the group, noun group. Now ID, cobweb, lyre, shed has been given as animal homes. These are all animal homes. Now here corn, maize, barley, and wheat. I am doing exercise B, question number 1. Corn, maize, barley, and wheat are actually name of cereals. जो हम लोग खाते हैं उसका नाम है. So it's corn, maize, barley and wheat is the name of cereals. Now question number 2, CNG, kerosene, petrol and diesel. These are the name of you can say it's not cooking oil, but it's a it's a name of oil which we use. You can say combustion oil. Combustion means jwalansheel tel. So we can use CNG, kerosene, petrol and diesel. Okay, likewise you can put the name here. I hope you understand this exercise. Now we'll move on to next exercise, that is we'll move on to exercise C. In exercise C, it's match the common nouns to the correct proper nouns. Now look at this. There is example girl. Girl is what? Can you match something? We have example 1 and Via is the name of a girl. Okay. Similarly, example number exercise C, example number 2. Question number 2. A boy. Find the name of boy. Can you see somewhere? Samir. Question number the proper noun underneath you have sequence P. The P mark Samir is the name of a boy. Man. Next, question number 3. Find out the name of a man. Mr. Sharma. Mr. Sharma is the name of man. Likewise, you have to match the common noun with a proper noun. I hope you have understood. And now you have to do the rest exercise on your own. Exercise C. Now we will move on exercise D. Now here we are on exercise D. It says underline the common nouns and circle the proper nouns. Now it says underline the common nouns and circle. The first example has been done. The Boston Tea Party was an important landmark of American Revolution. So here we see that there are 3 nouns. First one is the Boston Tea Party. It's a proper noun. Then there is landmark, which is a common noun, and third one is American Revolution, that is again a proper noun. Now in example 1, exercise 1, exercise D, first question. I learned how to make bonsai from Japanese lady. Now here underline the common noun. Where is the common noun? First, bonsai. Bonsai is the common noun, and then Japanese lady. Bonsai is common noun, so we will underline it. There is no proper noun here. Japanese lady is actually a proper adjective. So children, don't confuse here. It's a proper adjective, Japanese lady. Now here the word Japan, it's an adjective form. It describes about the lady, what type of lady she is. She is actually a native of Japan. So learn from Japanese lady. Now second question is, Google is the best search engine on the internet. Here we have to find, first of all, Google is the proper noun, is the best search engine. Engine is a common noun. On the internet is also common noun. Okay, so this is how you have to do your exercise A, B, C, D. I hope I have given you a wink. At least I have given you some sort of understanding on how to do all the exercises till here. Now I'll be doing exercise E with you, and then you'll be doing your homework. Now here we have to learn about collective noun. Okay, what is a collective noun? Collective noun is a name given to a group of people, person, thing together to form a complete unit. They are called collective noun. In most cases, collective noun has a singular verb. However, if the different part of members of the group have individual identity, then the collective noun has a plural verb. Now, in this example, we can see, gang is collective noun, chef is collective noun, possess is collective noun, brood is collective noun, constellation, police, jury, mob, gang, school, etc. are all collective nouns. Now here we have to fill in the blank with collective noun from the box. A dash of soldiers. What can we write here? Think of it: a regiment of soldiers or a company of soldiers. A company of soldiers would be the apt, the most suitable would be a company of soldiers. Or rather, a regiment of soldiers. Regiment will be the most suitable, not company. The second one is dash of people. Dash of people, we can say a mob of people. Second question is a dash of vessels, a fleet of vessels. So this is how you have to make your exercise E. This is how you have to work it out. Now I am giving you homework to do exercise A, B, C and D. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye.
जोगाड़ करके लो नहीं हो
कौन सा
ये मैं बदे छथि ना रेकॉर्ड हो
ऐसे तो व्हाट्सएप हो
नहीं व्हाट्सएप पे जो होता है ना, व्हाट्सएप पे तुम जो पढ़ाते हो तो व्हाट्सएप ज़्यादा भी नहीं कर सकता है, ये सब पूरा 2-2 घंटा का वीडियो ले लेगा और लाइव क्लास भी करा देगा।